Hello and welcome to 7602 Hunt Club Road. That's unit P106, located here in Northeast Columbia. This is a 2-bedroom, 2.5-bath condo, very spacious, and also has a screened-in back porch. Let's go take a look. All right, we are now in the backyard. Right here you have your screened-in back porch, and you have your upstairs right here. And let's take a look inside here. All right, we're now inside here. Pretty spacious as well. Then you have your door right here, and it also leads into the living room, which we'll get to that in just one moment. Give you another view from this side. All right, let's go take a look inside the home. All right, as soon as you come in through the front door, you have your hallway that leads to the living room, and to the right you have your stairs, which leads to both bedrooms and both full bathrooms as well. But to the left you have your dining room portion of the home. Pretty good size. Also, you have your ceiling fan right there as well. And you have your window that looks out into the front of the neighborhood. And through this doorway, you have your kitchen. You have your wood cabinets right here. Also, your dishwasher and refrigerator, and also your smooth top stove. Pretty decent size for a galley style kitchen. And it is tile right here, which leads you into the living room. Ceiling fan right here, and your double door entrance that leads out to the back patio. And it is shut in, gives you a nice privacy right there. We're going to make our way through the hallway. First door to the left is the half bathroom. Pretty good sized mirror. You also have your single vanity right here, and also your toilet. Right across from the half bathroom, you have your laundry room. And then you have your bedrooms upstairs. All right, we are now upstairs. As soon as you come upstairs, straight forward, you have your bathroom right here. Also, you have your mirror, tub, and also shower. Here is bedroom number 1. Pretty decent sized bedroom, and it is carpeted up here on the second floor. You have 2 windows that look out into the front of the neighborhood. And then you have closet number 1 and closet number 2. Coming out of bedroom number 1, we're going to go straight ahead to the master. Right here is the linen closet. And here is the master bedroom. Same style, you have your double door closets right here, 1 and 2. 2 windows that look out into the back of the home. And you also have your ceiling fan, and it is carpeted in here as well. And you have your bathroom right here. All right, you have your closet right here. Also your stand-up shower, very nice. You have your tile flooring, and then you have your single vanity mirror right there. Alright, that concludes our video tour of this home. Address is 7602 Hunt Club Road, and that's unit number P106. 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath home. For more information, you can go to our website, which is turnerproperties.com. If you have any questions, give us a call at the office. Number is 803-407-8522. Bye-bye.